Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard2Set Info, and today I'll show you how to enable sensitive content on X. So I will use my browser because when I tried to use my X application on my phone, I didn't manage to do that simply because I didn't see such option. So you may have that problem as well. But if not, you can use your mobile application. That's perfectly fine. Just follow my steps and I'm sure that you can do it. So I opened the official website of X, signed into my account, and now I want to tap my profile picture in the top left corner of my screen. Then scroll down to Settings and Privacy, go to Privacy and Safety, and go to Content You See. So this is what you should looking for: display media that may contain sensitive content. So in order to enable such sensitive content on X, you have to make sure that you have your tick in this checkbox next to this line, and that way you can see your sensitive content on X. And additionally, if you want to see sensitive content in your search results when you search for something on X, then go to section Search Settings and make sure that you do not have tick next to this line that says Hide Sensitive Content, in order basically to see sensitive content in your search results. Yeah, so that's how I can do it. But if you still do not see sensitive content on X, then you should install VPN to your device and connect to United States of America, or you can connect to any Western Europe country and basically try again. That way it should definitely work 100%. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.